Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android 8.0 OS system special for Toyota CHR 2016 to 2019. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, you can check this is special for Toyota CHR head units. There is harness. At first, let me introduce harness at first. Okay, let me show this special harness and canvas box for CHR. You can check this is canvas box, and this connector connect back of head unit, and this connectors for radio antenna. Okay, and the two connector, this connector for this camera input, this for factory camera. This for factory camera. Okay, and other for power and the speaker, you can check. Okay, this is special harness for Toyota CHR. Okay, it will come with two USB cable. This is two USB cable and external microphone. This is GPS antenna. This is external microphone, and this is original USB. Okay, this is camera input. This is audio cable. This is video out 1 and video out 2 RC type. Okay, this is for subwoofer. Okay, this is audio out front and rear, left and right. This connector connect back of head unit. Okay, and this AUX is video input, and this AUX input left and right. This connect back of head unit. Okay. Let me show head unit. Okay, you can check this 9-inch IPS Touch Screen special for Toyota CHR. Okay, you can check it. This hole, this piano. This SD card slot. Okay, this is volume button, back, home audio, map, microphone. It's built-in microphone. Okay, let me check the back. This fuse and power cable. This connectors. This GPS. This Wi-Fi antenna. This radio port. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Let me find something. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head unit will be start. Okay, it's starting. Please take out this screw protector before using. Okay, let me check this UI interface. Okay, this is settings. Let me check the brightness. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi. And check the system. This language there is 100 baht language built in. It's date and time. You can set the date and time in these settings. Okay. About machine, you can check model is PX5. Octa core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, this is Oreo system. We're back the. And let me show the car settings. It's elements. You can change this button color with red. Change the red. And blue, orange, yellow. You can adjust any color on this panel. Okay, let me choose a blue. This steering wheel control keys you can set up. And this navigation, you can set the navigation. Their navigation sound mode and navigation mix ratio. You can set it. Okay. Let me check the driving settings. You can turn on the watch video. When you drive the car, it supports watching video. Turn off, turn on, and turn off. And extra settings. You can set the shutdown delay when SC off. This is fast response. You can set 1 hour auto sleep. You can set this time. If you set 1 hour and you back in the car within 1 hour, it will fast start just with 1 second. Okay, it's playing music automatically. This is for reversing camera. You can display this real ruler and set other settings. Okay, this driver setting. Okay, let me back the home. Okay, let me check. It's built in the easy connection for mirror link. And built in Google Play Store, and you can download the application from Google Play Store. It's built in Maps. Okay, that's all. Thank you.